I am E. Nadia, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Arulmigu Palani Andavar Arts College for Women, Palani. Now we are going to discuss about graph theory. What is the graph? A graph G consists of a pair of V, E, where V is a non-empty set is called a graph. V means vertices, E mean edges. The graph means vertices and edges. That is called the graph. For example, first example, V1, V2. The point V1, V2. That is a vertices. E is called the edges. It is called the graph. Only vertex, a non-empty set, but vertex it is called the graph. Only vertex it is called the graph. So, next definition. If more than one line joining two vertices are allowed, then the resulting graph is called the multigraph. For example, multigraph means only 2 points, but only one line joint is a graph. More than one line, V1, V2, one line, another one line, it is called the multi-lines. It is called the multigraph. 2 points joining only one lines, it is called the graph. More than one line joining, it is called the multigraph. So another definition, if loop are allowed, then the resulting graph is called the pseudograph. What is mean by loop? One point itself edges, it is called the loop. One point itself again V1 edges, same vertices, it is called the loop. So this graph is pseudo graph. Next one, multiple lines and loops are not allowed, then the graph is called a simple graph. So graph means vertices, edges is allowed, or non-empty set, it is called the graph. Loop means V1 vertices, again V1 vertices, it is called the loop. Multi-lines, two vertices, more than one line joining, it is called the multigraph. So multiple lines and loops, both are not allowed, that the graph is called the simple graph. For example, V1, V2, V3, it is called the simple graph. So another one, V1, 2, 3, 4, but 4 vertices again. This vertices comes one loop. So it is not a simple graph. Thank you.